Today we are also again looking at the energy situation, but this time the focus is on gas. What can we do to, as soon as possible, bring the Atuabo gas processing plant on stream? You know, we've been told that this project was going to be completed some months back, and every now and then we keep on giving new dates, and some reasons are assigned. We know that the project has come very far. Gas holds the key to the challenges facing energy generation and energy mix in recent times. We rely on hydro and thermal, which is you need petrol to run, and petrol is expensive. So if gas comes on stream and you feed gas to the thermal, it means that the cost will reduce drastically, and that's what everybody is looking at. Not only that, our expectation is that government can harness the gas that it can be used for the production of fertilizer and the use in other petrochemical industries, and that is where we are going to get the benefit of the gas. The gas for use for domestic purposes alone will not help us to get really what we need or lead to the kind of industrialization that we envisage from the find of oil and gas. So I think that it's important that government puts together a plan now. It's a huge investment that looking within we may not, but we can always strike partnerships. Producers out there, companies out there that are willing to go where their investments will be saved. So if we provide a conducive atmosphere, more companies will come for blocks, will be able to find oil and find also gas. We are told from that beyond the Jubilee fields and the Keta Basin, the Wote basins that's covering virtually 40% of the landmass of the country also has oil and gas deposits. The problem is that looking for oil and gas is always a very expensive venture, but we can make an attempt. We can attract investors to come and help us find more oil and gas, so we can become more self-sufficient in terms of using our own resources to power development processes. But most importantly, and the expectation of all, is that gas will come on stream, will be used to power our electricity, so that Dumso will be a thing of the past. So we are asking, how can we use gas to reduce the present challenges in the power sector? Join us to discuss the issue on our platform www.graphic.com.gh.